The upper part of the HB 1500S automotive railway snowblower can be turned by a turntable located at the lower part of the machine. This enables quick direction change of the snowblower. The 1500 horsepower blower engines enable snow to be ejected up to a distance of 40 meters and at a volume of up to 16,000 tons of snow per hour. The scoop wheel housings are equipped with chutes, which can be swiveled separately by hydraulic cylinders. The two halves of the stem are retractable via a stable sliding frame. By extending the stem halves and raising the constricting plates, the snow clearing width can be increased from approximately 3,000 to 5,800 millimeters. Each discharge chute has a hydraulically operated ejection flap through which the snow ejection can be directed. If a higher tonnage of snow clearance is required, the blower gear speed is set to a slower level. If a high ejection distance is required, the blower gear speed is increased. The aisle, which is accessible from the cab, leads between the two diesel tanks and the two blower engines to the traction motor. Ergonomics are second to none. The driver's seats comply with German DIN 5510 Part 2 requirements and provide operators with increased comfort over extended operating hours. While in operation, the cab can be fully heated, and there are two large heat exchangers with fans in the floor area. If the vehicle is not in motion or extra warmth is required, a Webasto heater unit is also available. For a better view, both windshields are tilted forward. The windshields and rotating panes are made of 14mm laminated glass. The sliding windows, door glass, and rear window are also made of laminated glass. The large rotating panes enable an even better view in harsh conditions. The control panel for the train driver and the snowblower operator is positioned over the entire width of the cab. All main controls for the drive control and for the operation of the blowing system are positioned in the control panel. The vehicle and the snowblower can be operated from the left side driver's seat as well as from the right. Aside from the controls and sensors, all electrical components are located in the rear section of the cab. The slewable blower wheel gear provides a low-loss mechanical drive of the snowblower head via crankshafts with a lateral shift of 1 meter. By means of the connecting gearbox, it is possible to transfer the power of both blower engines onto one blower head half. On the other hand, both snowblower head halves can be operated with only one blower engine if very low power is required. The crawler transfer gear constitutes the core component for the drive and the turning of the machine. The drive control is divided into pneumatic and electrical parts. The transmission on the crawling speed transfer case and the rotating gear shift mechanism are pneumatically operated. The electric drive control is the core of the entire drive control system. Therefore, the traction motor, the Voith turbo transmission with retarder, the anti-slip protection, and the blowing protection are all controlled. A pneumatically activated, hydraulically reversible track-clearing snowplow is mounted under the rear overhang of the vehicle. With hydraulic adjustment, the snowplow can be used in a V-shape or as a side blade, and plow lifting and lowering is altered pneumatically. Beilhack's Railway Snowblower HB 1500S. Maximum performance in a compact design.